Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid EXL. You will notice this vehicle comes fully equipped with LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. You'll have keyless entry as well as remote start. You will have the memory settings for the 12-way power seat, which includes lumbar support. You'll have your steering wheel controls to be able to cycle through your media sources, control the volume, answer your phone calls. The vehicle also comes equipped with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, forward collision braking system. You'll have the paddle shifters, XM radio. You'll also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Be able to Bluetooth your music into the vehicle. You'll have dual climate control. You'll also have heated seats. USB and power ports. Econ mode to increase fuel efficiency. A sport mode. You'll also have an electric vehicle mode, electronic parking brake, and a brake hold feature. In the center console, you'll have an additional USB and power port. Sunroof. Place to store your sunglasses. You'll have the home link buttons to open up your garage door. Vehicle does have all-weather floor mats and all footwells. Capless fuel filler. Vehicle does have a backup camera with 3 different views. 60-40 split for full down back seats. All-weather cargo tray. And under here, you'll have your tire mobility kit. This is the 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid EXL here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.